Welcome back, or welcome if you're new to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I achieved this minty spring set. I amazed myself because this set turned out to be so beautiful. Now here are the items I use. You can go ahead and freeze your screen so you can see what they are. Now if you are interested in how I achieved this set, please stay tuned. So you guys, when it comes to prepping my nails, I don't prep my nails because I use a peel-off base prior to putting this base coat on and the tips, because I need to remove my nails sooner than the average person because I am a content creator. So all I did was put my peel-off base on and then I put my tips on. So now we're going to take this Macart gel polish in seaweed. I'm going to go in and just do my two middle fingers because I plan on ombreing this gel polish closer to the cuticle, and that's because this nail will be an ombre, and under the polygel sometimes if you have a deeper color or a bolder color, even though this is pastel, it still can show through the polygel, so I don't want that harsh line to be there. When ombreing polygel, it's very important to recognize how much pressure you're putting and how saturated your brush is. I find when I'm trying to blend, a little bit more firmer tap and a drier brush helps me blend a little bit better. And when I'm trying to smooth over, a lighter touch with a wetter brush helps me smooth everything over after I'm done blending the ombre, if that makes sense. So when doing your Frenchies like this, make sure you are getting good coverage with the gel polish. It doesn't matter if you get on a nude area with a color polish, because any color that gets on top of the nude color, we can fall off. Like always, we're going to go in with a clear poly gel by my cart to protect all the work that we've done. So we're going to encapsulate this French and encapsulate our ombre. So when we go in and file, it doesn't destroy what we just worked so hard to do. So here we are done, and I filed and shaped my nails. As you can see here, if you look closely, my French line is not completely perfect, but we are going to put some jewels on top of that. So guys, I apologize. I lost the footage of me placing these flowers and rhinestones on my nails. So I slowed it down so you can see exactly how I placed them. And it's a very simple and easy design. I do have the footage of me putting the caviar beads on. Caviar beads just give the design that certain touch that it needs. It just elevates the designs of any stones you put down and certain charms. They're just real tedious to work with, but they do elevate the design of the nail. I did add 2 coats of that seaweed color to my thumb and pinky nail. Now I am using the matte top coat to put on the pinky, but I am going to be sugaring it, and I don't want anything shiny. I want it to be like matte, so I don't know if that makes a difference or not. I never compared a matte underneath sugaring versus a shiny top coat under sugaring, but I just know I want every nail to be matte. So if you made it this far, please consider liking this video and comment down below if you would have wore these nails shiny versus the matte. And consider subscribing, sharing, and turning on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video.